So since I want to reuse this, I'm just going to measure it, and the total height or length of this is about 6 foot 8 inches. So 80 inches right here. And as a general rule, you want to have about a third of this height in the ground. So for me, I'm going to try and do 2 feet right here. And then this is the light I'm going to be using. You can see it has the solar panels on top. This comes off, the bulb goes in here. And with this one, it's nice. It has an adjustment right here for the brightness of the light. And you can also turn it off if you want to keep it off. Loosen these right here. And I just kind of want to get an idea of how high this is going to be if I put 2 feet in the ground. I hold my tape to that mark, and I'm going total height, 5 foot 8. So if I hold the tape right here, but 5 foot 8 would be about here. I think that'll work. I might do 1.5 foot in the ground because I'm not too worried about it. And that'll give me just above 6 feet, 74 inches from where it is now. Generally 6 or 7 feet is pretty good, so do what you want. So this is actually how much I'm gonna bury this. And I am gonna use concrete, so I think that's gonna be totally fine. And I regretfully forgot my boots today. No judging. So I'm just gonna dig a hole. So 18 inches, I'm gonna go about 20, and I'll show you why in a second. I wanna make the hole at least 3 times bigger this way than the post itself. Okay, 20 inches. Now I'm gonna pack this down. And this is why I went 2 inches more, because some stuff is gonna be loose and fall down here. I'm at about 20 inches, and I'm gonna add this graded base, just a couple scoops, just so I can have a nice solid base down there. I think that's gonna be good. 18, 19, 20. I'm gonna call that good. And I'll do a little test before I put this in permanently. That's pretty much exactly where I want it, kind of in line with this handrail post. Yeah, I think that'll work.